Hey y'all, welcome back to another video where I'll be posting another video every Saturday. So right now I'm in Williamsburg. Yes, Williamsburg, Brooklyn. And we're walking towards a thrift store. So we made it at the thrift store. Let me tell you, these prices for clothes are insane. Like $18 for clothes, $19 for clothes. They got shoes for $35. I was looking at the shoes. I was trying to hold my camera focused because there's like tons of people around here, so I didn't want to show their faces. So it's just the best way I could film. But yeah, they had from clothes to shoes to bags. Most of their shoes were $30, even from Nike to Jordans. $30. And you know how much Nikes and Jordans are from the actual store? $100. But they had everything from coats, jackets, spring jackets, winter stuff. Literally anything. As you can see, there was a lot of people in here. I filmed this on a Wednesday, and there was tons of people in here. I was looking at one Pacific shirt I really liked, but I couldn't get it because I have enough shoes already. So, but all the shoes were nice. They had a lot of Nikes for $55. Like the more brand ones, they put them on the higher shelves. Look at that, $24 for a Ford jacket, a Louis Vuitton Ford jacket. But it was a small, I couldn't get it. And please excuse me for holding my camera like this. Like I said, I didn't want to show other people's face. But the store was pretty big. It was huge. I was walking towards the bag section because I heard that they sell bags there that I liked. And that's the fit-in room over there with the line. And the bags are right here. They had Louis Vuitton, they had Gucci, they had everything. They even had Lululemon. But they have what's everything. I couldn't find any Lululemon bags. But yeah, this is what the store looks like. But then afterwards we went on a train to the 99 Cent Pizza place. Oh, new video coming soon. I'm going to do a trip to Colombia, and this is what I wanted to show you guys how I pack for my trip to Colombia. I didn't want to show too much, but this is what I have for my outfits for 9 days straight. I'm going to be there for 9 days, guys. This is all my cute outfits I packed. It's how I normally pack my bag anyways. So yeah, I was packing my clothes early. And over here is like swimsuits and bathing suits. So you see, I was actually serious about packing for this trip. But stay tuned for that video. And then I went to Five Below by my boyfriend's place, by my boyfriend's house. I had to grab some Mike and Ike because I was craving for sweets. So I got Mike and Ike, and for my brother, he was with me. He got Sour Patch, and my boyfriend got Runts. And then I went to GameStop, and that was pretty much my day. Just don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll post a new video every Saturday for you guys. Love y'all. Stay tuned for the Colombia vlog.